Oh my goodness. I burp. I'm unapologetically myself. I quite literally don't give a flying fuck. Oh my god.
He said no toy bears in the Bear Girls Club, but Mr. Bear is not a toy. He's a member of the family. The monsters
Those were stuck in me.
There are no monsters in here.
Whew.
Yay!
It's like I was accidentally like swallowing my burps, and, like burping backwards.
I'm a big girl, you're a big girl, yada yada.
So they kept getting stuck. And they're still stuck. Oh my god. I think that was the one. Unless there's one more. Kind of feel a little bit right here.
Right. Now, sweetheart, what I want you to know is the most important part of bowling is getting a good rhythm going. Okay? So first you do that. We go, baby. Go, baby.
Oh my goodness gracious.
All right. Now that's what you do in case of a fire.
I don't know how many there are.
Go, baby. Go, baby. All right. One big one. Better fun.
What is going on? I can't stop freaking burping. Another burp stuck in my stomach. Oh my god. Didn't get it all. It was so stuck. And there's still a little bit left, so. Oh, yes. That was good. That felt good. Oh my gosh, that felt amazing. I still feel like there's a tiny bit left. Like I need one more good one. I thought I had it. It's so close. Oh my god. That wasn't all of it though. Come out! Like remedies when a burp is stuck. Like what do you do? I think that was the one. Never mind. Nope, there's still some more in there. Damn it! And like I don't know what's going on lately because like I haven't ever had these type of burps where they're stuck. I haven't had these like burps like this in forever, especially this back to back, like literally yesterday, whatever day it was, the day before that, like oh no, I'm broken. It came out good.